Here we will write a program to check given year is a leap year or not in Python. So first we'll open the IDLE. Then we will add new file, and in comment line we'll write program description. First we'll accept the year from the user. So yr equal to int input enter year. Then we will check whether year is a leap year or not. For this we will use if yr mod 4 is equal to 0. Then we will print entered year is leap year. Else we will print entered year is not leap year. Then we will save it and we will execute it. It will ask to enter the year. I will give 2022. It will print entered year is not leap year. Again I will execute it. I will enter year 2024. It will print entered year is leap year.